Reptiles have not discovered scale and rising. They are also ectotherms, unlike amphibians. However, reptiles are completely independent of water.
Birds. Class A. Birds are characterized by feather wings, beaks, and hollow bones. They are classified according to living style, food structure, and beak structure. They have a double circulatory system and a four-chamber heart, but their excretory and digestive ways are mixed and excreted together through the cloaca.
Mammals, class Mammalia. Mammals are characterized by mammary glands, and parental care, body hair, and giving birth to young. The central comprise the largest group of mammals.